Hello beautiful people, it is me, Desiree, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a nice natural makeup tutorial for back to school, something that's more of like a no makeup look, super easy, super quick. So yeet. Start off with a clean face. I mean, I didn't wash my face, but like, you do you. Putting on this. I use this stuff all the time. Mad good. Actually, we have to do like, I literally prep my skin so much, it's actually like gross. So I'm putting on moisturizer. Just use whatever moisturizer works for your skin. Then I'm gonna take this Bare Minerals Blemish Remedy Primer, and I'm just putting that on my skin. This stuff's great because it has like tea tree oil and all that good stuff. I don't think primer makes a difference, but I know that this stuff actually has things in it that are helping my skin, so that's why I use it. The last thing we're gonna use to prep is the e.l.f. Glow Lotion. You know, I didn't even think to get a mirror. It's fine. We're fine. I'm saying it's you, babe. Am I having a pimple there? What is that? All right, so dudes, next we're gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I put some under my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna take this type of brush. I think it's like a flat type of brush, and I'm just gonna go under my eyebrows and underline them. Ugh. Then I'm just taking this Real Techniques like sponge, and I'm just blending out most of this, except for the part that's like really carving out the brow game. Can you even really see what's happening? Then I'm going in with this. You're probably wondering, what is this? It's Fawn from the Contour Kit by Anastasia. And then I'm just gonna, you know, do this little motion here, and I'm gonna drag this a little bit under. And you don't really need a mirror when you can just feel. Then, okay. Okay, then I'm taking a bigger brush, and I'm gonna just do one of these moments here. Then I'm gonna bring it down here, just about everywhere, just to make sure. Then you're really gonna go in, and you're gonna go in with a little bit of this. You know, your contour is more cool toned than your bronzer. So then we're gonna go in with this Tarte blush. This is the one in Party. Then we're going to go in with this Bare Minerals powder. It looks like I'm naked. Ooh, oh my gosh. I was like, when is my shirt gonna come out? Okay, I just put some powder on where I get kind of oily, which is the basic T-zone. I've really been using less powder because I feel like it makes my skin look less oily when it gets oily. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I feel like if I just cake on like a ton of like creams and powders and like all this stuff, it just looks so bad. So then I'm using brow gel. Brow gel is like one of the most important makeup products to me because my eyebrows are all right, whatever, but then when you just add in that like that touch, it's just amazing. Then I'm taking this Becca highlighter and just putting it here. It's like all cracked, otherwise I would show you. Oof, she's looking good. My favorite part. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Then taking a bigger highlighting brush just so I can get it here. Boop. A lot of people say, why use highlighter if you're gonna get sweaty for school? And you know what? I used to stand that, but now I'm just like, your sweat has no like shimmers in it, but highlighting does. Someone told me my face looked really shiny at work, and I was like, it's my highlight. And I don't think it was a compliment. Then I'm gonna use some mascara after I curl my eyelashes. I'm really scared I'm gonna rip out my eyelashes, so we're gonna be focused. So 1 second. I hope the elevator music was soothing. Okay, mascara.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Sorry. I swear this happens to me every single time I do my mascara. Oh my gosh, I did it again. I did it again. It's fine, it's fine. Seriously, like, we can fix this. There's no problems. Life's great. This is how you finish off a nice look. The only other thing I can possibly use on my lips. Oh my gosh, I'm so popular. Hi, Mom. Oh my gosh. Do I look better? I think we need a lot more than this to look better. Okay, so this is my look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I suck at outros. Oh my lord. It literally cut me out of my outro. So I love you guys to infinity and beyond. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I already said this stuff. Okay, but I love you guys to infinity and beyond, and I'll see you beautiful people in my next video, which will be Monday because I upload every Monday and Thursday. Bye.
I fall in love too easily.